In this tutorial, we will see that how you can download InShot on PC and laptop in just few easy steps. So let's dive right. So here you can see that we have just installed this InShot app on our PC. So if you want to install this InShot on your PC or laptop, you can do the same steps that I did. Firstly, open any of the browser and simply search for InShot.com. Here you can see that it's only available for iOS and Android devices. So to download this in your PC and laptop, we need to open new tab and simply search for InShot BlueStacks. Here it is. Click on the first link you see here. It will open up this type of dashboard here of BlueStacks. Click on that, run video editor and maker InShot on PC. Select download location and click save. Here it is. After downloading, click to open it. Click launch. You will see dashboard of BlueStacks like this. Click on that app player that you will see in your left side. Then click on that home button from your header. It will open up like this. BlueStacks app player. You can see here I have already downloaded this Light Motion Authenticator and Free Fire on my PC. So to download InShot, we will click on that search and search for InShot. Here it is. Click on install to install this, and after installation you can click on that open button, and here's our InShot. You can simply use it like you use in your phone. So that's how you can download and install InShot on PC and laptop in just few easy steps.